I'm not sure if these ingredients are considered high-end, but beef short ribs don't need any complicated cooking. Just a simple clear stew makes them absolutely delicious. Hello everyone, I am Mijo. Follow Mijo in the kitchen and we will never be in a hurry. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make a clear broth beef short rib stew. After buying the beef short ribs, first wash them thoroughly and then blanch them. Add green onions and ginger while blanching to remove any gamey smell. Once the water comes to a boil, cook for about 5 minutes, skim off the foam, and then rinse the meat again. This way, the beef broth will turn out clear and free of any off flavors. Put the beef into an electric stew pot, add green onions, ginger, star anise, and bay leaves, pour in clean water, and set it for 2 hours. That's all you need. When it's almost done, sprinkle in a small spoonful of salt. Not too much, since most of the flavor will come from the sauce. The electric stew pot uses a water bath method, which heats evenly and helps preserve the original flavor and nutrients of the ingredients. Mix the prepared sauce with some of the original broth. The recipe for the sauce is shown at the end of the video. Take out the beef short ribs, let them cool slightly, and then slice them. At this point, you can use the original broth to make a beef and radish soup, or even cook some beef noodle soup. Now that you've learned how to make this nutritious, delicious, and low-fat meal, why not give it a try?